Di, ang init, no?
Asa lang po? Saan po yung canteen dito?
At diretso lang po kayo, din kaliwa, din kanan. Nandun na po ang ating canteen.
Thank you.
Sige po.
Thank you. Hello po, welcome to the University of East Flyer.
Sure. So, what's nice around here, apart from you?
UE has a lot to offer, especially sa tourism namin. Marami kaming events, ganap, and yeah.
Oh, good thing I enrolled in the same course.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I guess I'll see you around.
These challenges are complex and again. We need to consider the environmental impact of tourism as well as ensuring that it benefits all the members of the society. Ay, hello, dyan ka pala. Kanina ka ba dyan? Kanina ka ba dyan? Kanina ka ba dyan?
Not much.
How's my practice?
Well, I can tell you're pretty good. I think not just good, but amazing.
Salamat.
Hey.
Sam.
Susumbong kita. Pero mas maganda.
두근대는 맘을 따라 너에게 가는 나의 발걸음에 마치 구름 위를 나르는 듯한 꿈속에 언젠가
Di ba mas nakakatawa yung kanina?
Hello! Hey! Sorry to interrupt all this, but we need to practice for this upcoming event tourism, Sam. Ano na?
As up, girl, marami pa tayong gagawin. Not to mention your speech. Have you finished doing it?
Yes, nagawa ko na. Kaso, hindi pa siya tapos.
Well, girl, you better finish up fast. The event's in 2 days.
Yes, I will.
What speech?
Remember the last time I was practicing? That's the speech. It's part of my grade, kaya I have to do it well.
Press, are you coming or what? Yes.
Oh my God! I can't believe her. She used to be so hands-on sa lahat.
Right? Ever since she became close with that Kyle guy, nawalan siya sa leisure.
At first, I thought na okay makilala niya yung guy na yan. Pero I think hindi. Diba?
She is kind of neglecting her responsibilities as president of this org.
Don't you guys have better things to do? Other than gossip?
Whatever. I swear, your president's off track.
She's still your president, and she deserves respect.
It's about fostering collaboration and innovation. We need to invest in sustainable tourism practices such as promoting eco-friendly accommodations and supporting local communities.
Question. Sure ba talaga na kailangan natin i-sacrifice yung stifling economic growth? Sure ka ba talaga dun?
No, sir. I'm suggesting we find ways to integrate sustainability in our growth strategies by investing in renewable energy, promoting responsible tourism, and engaging with local communities. We can create a tourism industry that benefits everyone.
Diyos ko naman, Sam. Naniniwala ka ba dyan sa mga pangarap na yan? Sa palagay mo ba matutupad yan?
Excuse me everyone, I'm sorry.
Uy, wait lang.
Ano ba?
Hindi ko naman sinasadya yun eh. Pinupush pa nga kita sa best mo eh.
That's not support, Ken. It's completely arrogance. You knew this was important to me.
Matutusin nga, pinupush nga kita sa best mo eh. Naniniwala naman ako sa'yo na kaya mo eh.
You don't get to decide what's best for me. I don't need your opinion, I don't need your approval, and most especially, I don't need your tough love. Stay here, and I'm going.
Can't wait to see the result of our efforts, no? So, para makapag-celebrate na rin tayo.
True. Ang dami ko pa naman na-imagine kung saan tayo after neto.
Ayun na tayo.
Tara, check natin.
What? Mas mataas si Kelly kaysa sa akin. How is this even possible? Nasaan si Ma'am?
Nandun?
Sam! Come in.
Ma'am, good morning po. May concern lang po ako about sa list na labas.
Okay, so what's the problem?
I think my error, ma'am. How is it possible na mas mataas si Kyle over me?
Are you questioning my computation?
No, ma'am. I just need an explanation.
Okay. Here. Hindi lang evidence yung ibibigay ko sa'yo and information. So, see. He got the extra point for asking a question, relevant question in your speech na hindi mo nasagot. So, basically, do better next time. Okay? Okay.
Girl, it's time to realize that everyone's right. He's being a distraction.
You know, I think kailangan mo na siyang layuan.
Sam, I know. I hate him. Pero at some point, nagigets ko siya. Nagigets ko siya kung ano yung point niya talaga din. Like, he wants me to be better. He made me feel na I need to prove something. I need to do more. Kaya, well, mali ko din naman na nagalit ako sa kanya. Pero, sana hindi niya dibdibin. Kasi, ipipilit ko yung sarili ko pag nagalit siya sa akin. Ikaw, choice mo yun.
Kyle. Uy! May ballpen ka?
Wala.
Sige, ano na lang. Correction tape.
Wala. Yung isa dito. School supply ako.
Ano ba problema?
Ano problema?
Dapat ba magalit ka sa akin? Hindi ba dapat ako
Bakit sa'yo?
Bakit? Sa palagay mo ba wala bang karapatan na magalit sa'yo?
Hindi ganon. Hindi ganon yung point ko.
E di ano yung point mo?
Tinatanong lang kita, bakit kailangan magalit sa akin? Ikaw pa yung galit?
Oo, bakit? Sa palagay mo ba, hindi ko ba narinig yung mga pinag-uusapan niyo sa akin?
What?
Behind my back.
Hoy, hindi ganon yun. Kyle! Kyle!
Whatever you wanna do, we're here.
Yeah, just tell us what to do. I have to make this right. Good morning, everyone. I am here to discuss to you the RA 386, Article 2217. Moral damages include physical suffering, mental anguish, fright, serious anxiety, wounded feelings, moral shock, social humiliation, and similar injury. More damages may be recovered if they are the proximate results of the defendant's wrongful act and omission. Friends, every word and action we choose holds immense power over others. Causing emotional distress isn't just unkind, it's a betrayal of our shared humanity. Each person carries a unique blend of emotions and vulnerabilities. When we hurt others, we hurt ourselves too. Let's prioritize empathy, kindness, and respect in all our interactions. Let's uplift and support rather than harm. In a world filled with division, let's be beacons of compassion. Let's build a culture of empathy and mutual respect, where everyone's emotional well-being is treasured. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Galing ah.
Ano ibig ko sabihin?
Wala. Sobrang impressive lang talaga.
But, again, I'm sorry. Mga friends ko din, hindi nila yun intention.
Okay lang. Siguro, pag-iisipan ko na lang.
Ha? Ano pag-isipan? Sige lang! Saan tayo kumain?
Secret.